My name is Andre. I'm a senior analyst with Any Option, and in the next few minutes I will be sharing some knowledge that will enable you to make a high return of 71% when trading any underlying binary option asset. For example, an investment of 200 can be turned into 342 euros, or alternatively, an investment of 10,000 into 17,100 euros. Have no experience or understanding of financial markets? No problem. Any Option makes trading easy, accessible and intuitive, allowing you to generate profit within 1 hour from making your first deposit. Binary option trading is a big name for a simple financial tool which has grown in popularity over the world in the past few years. This type of trading is fast, exciting and provides instant gratification. One of the big advantages of binary options trading is that as an investor, you can generate profit in any market situation, meaning you can gain both in rising and in falling markets. You can trade anytime at your convenience. The options are global and cover markets in Asia, Europe, USA and more. In this video, I will show you how to trade binary options using the Any Option platform, the company who first introduced the world to binary options trading in 2008. And today are considered the world leaders and innovators within the industry with over 400,000 traders worldwide. Over the course of this presentation, you will learn some simple yet efficient strategies for creating an additional source of income which can be used to finance a vacation, a shopping trip, or for reinvestment into various other interests one might have, such as real estate or business opportunities. Let me show you how to make decisions that will give you a considerable profit in a short time. Remember, trade on your own terms, 24/7 support, and no commissions. How to trade? Choose an asset, Euro, USD, Apple stock, the price of gold, or the Nasdaq. Determine whether the price will rise or fall within the next hour. Got it right? You have gained an immediate return of 71%. Once you've opened an account, you should look for a trading opportunity. Here are 3 trading strategies that will help you to recognize such opportunities. Economic calendar. Financial calendars are a great way to find trading opportunities. These calendars can be found in Yahoo or Google Finance and will contain all the important dates, announcements, data releases and press conferences which influence the market. The most important financial dates will be marked with 3 asterisks, and on these dates millions of private traders as well as large organizations like banks and hedge funds eagerly await the new information which is about to be released. When this information is made available, trends will occur across the markets, which can rise or fall. Then all you need to do is follow that trend. Remember, the trend is your friend. If published events relates to the American economy, traders of the American currency Euro-US dollar will base their trading decisions on this event. Since the decision-making process of most traders is similar, they will perform similar transactions. Prices can rise or fall from the first minute of trading. If the price goes up, we can buy an option reflecting a price rise forecast called a call option. If the price drops, we can buy an option reflecting the decline called a put option. This way, we can actually gain from both possible scenarios. For example, this is a pattern of the Euro-US dollar behavior on the first Friday of each month, following the US monthly unemployment figures. All we need to see is how the market starts to move following the publishing. Buy an option according to this movement and wait. This is an excellent method for gaining immediate return of 71% in a few minutes without straining your brain. Correlated assets. An excellent way to forecast which way the market will move is watching correlated assets. From your Any Option account, you can view price quotations of up to 4 assets simultaneously. You should select groups of assets which respond in exactly the same way, or alternatively, the opposite way to the same market circumstances. Oil, for example, is priced in dollars. So if the dollar falls dramatically, this would affect the price of oil and vice versa. It often happens that the price of one asset moves to the extreme. while the other price has not yet moved in the same direction. If you notice such movement, this would be an excellent time to buy an option. The asset price that hasn't yet moved is expected to follow the movement of the other assets. For example, in the case of the Nasdaq and the Nasdaq future, if the Nasdaq future rises, the Nasdaq will probably rise too. Technical analysis allows you to make informed decisions based on market cycles. This is done through the use of graphs and charts. Analyzing graphs will enable you to identify opportunities in the marketplace where you can place an option. When using stock graphs, it is very important to know how to choose the right timescale. If you want to make fast profits in short time frames, it is recommended to study graphs in intervals of between 1 hour to 10 minutes. Best would be to browse between different timescales before making a decision to buy an option. The simplest and most common strategy is trading with a trend, meaning buying a call option when the market is on the rise and a put option when the market is in decline. In order to do this right and maximize your chances of success, pay attention to the timing of buying the option as you see. Even when the market is rising, there are decline trends. If you trace a general rising trend, many times it would be better to buy when the price declines a bit, so as not to be affected by random fluctuations. If you notice that the market seems to lack direction, this does not mean that you can't gain from it. Note whether the market movement turn around a specific axis, a midpoint, which the price always crosses. If you detect that the market behavior is above this point, you may try buying a put option, since the market is bound to return to the same point, and a call option when the market is below that point. Our team of experts at any option will be glad to answer any question and advise you on effective strategies. All you have to do is open an account and request callback or enter our chat. Any option is the largest and most professional platform for trading with binary options. Join the hundreds of thousands who already enjoy the fast and secure trading. 3 clicks and you are there too.